Happy Monday. Let's unbox things. Hey. Yeah. Hello. Welcome to the channel. What channel is that? Well, that's irrelevant. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Hello, pals. I'm Sneaker YouTube's goofy unemployed uncle, SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. I also have a website underneath that. It's called ransomnotesneakers.com. Things that I pull out of boxes like the Cool Kicks box from last Friday. And other things are on that website for sale if you want to check it out. If you guys remember from the last haul video, Andrew sent me 2 pairs of shoes. He sent them to me just out the goodness of his heart. I sincerely appreciate it. I actually connected with Andrew and told him an idea. So what I'm doing is I'm selling both of those pairs, but any profits to be made from those shoes is going straight to a charity which I fully endorse and I give to every once in a while. It's called the Best Friends Animal Sanctuary based in Utah. It's a no-kill shelter that rehabilitates animals that they just take in a bunch of animals that just need some help. So definitely an awesome charity. Again, any of the sales from those 2 pairs, and I mean after shipping, after fees, if they sell on StockX or Goat, all that stuff, is going straight to the Best Friends Animal Sanctuary. I will link their website in the description below. Just a really good charity that I firmly believe in. And Andrew, thank you again for not only just giving me those out of the kindness of your heart, but also at the same time, because of what we're doing, like, it's just something cool that's gonna give some, animals a second chance. So got, what, how many here? 4 pickups. So let's go ahead and unbox them in the 70th haul series. Just realized there was a shirt hanging there.
What?
Anyways, first things first, we got this from our buddies up north, based in Toronto, Canada. netmagnetism.com. You can follow him on Instagram at netmagnetism. The dude does a lot of raffles, but he also has a lot of really good shoes for really good prices, and he does these things called kick bricks. Now, shoes made of Legos is not a new concept by any means, but I think his are the best executed of all the available options in my opinion. But at the same time, I'm very biased because I like the dude and I like to support him. So he's done 3 series before. Series 1 was 2 6s, the infrared black and whites. Series 2 was 3 5s, the Shanghai Shen, the Tokyo T23, and the Raging Bull Red Suede. And then he came out with Series 3, which includes, what, 6 pairs? There's the Off-White Air Jordan 1 Chicago, the Off-White Air Jordan 1 UNC, the Air Jordan 1 Bread or Band, whatever you call it, the Air Jordan 1 Royal, and then 2 Dunks, 2 SBs, which I'm very excited about. So I decided to support the dude and pick those up. Now, obviously, they're not put together because it's Legos. But I gotta put them together, so there's that. But they come in these neat little Net Magnetism mini shoe boxes. It says Series 3, I doubt it's gonna pick it up, but this is a Dunk SB Heineken. And then another one, it's a Dunk SB Pigeon. Very excited. This is what they look like when they're done. I'm gonna put them together eventually because it's actually really fun and kind of calming to put together. But these are very cool. He gives these out as like runner-up prizes in his raffles every once in a while, so definitely check him out at netmagnetism and then netmagnetism.com. Very cool dude. Thanks, Tom. Appreciate you, bud. Nice to support friends. We got ourselves something from I don't even know what to call it anymore. It's obviously Nike. This was a surprise drop, I guess you could say. I think Nike is mad because none of their athletes are in the NBA Finals, so they had to do something, and I think this is just the best they could come up with. Luckily enough for them, Toronto is in the NBA Finals. Drake is one of their celebrity dude guys, whatever you call it. Originally, this Air Jordan 4 was released just as a Raptors 4, but the concept or the sample had this Drake signature on the tongue. Obviously, this is the Air Jordan 4 Raptors. I guess they call it the OVO Raptors. I don't really know. They released on Sneakers on a Sunday randomly, and then also, I think, on the OVO website. I have a feeling these are just a bunch of returns with a different patch on it. But my friend up north in Toronto wanted a pair of these. I was paying attention, so I grabbed them for him. So these are going up north. Retail Oop. Appreciate the dude. He's a good dude. I know he wants them. I know he's going to rock them. So, Christian, these are on the way to you. Not really much to say. These are going up in value because the Raptors are doing so well in the finals, but it is definitely special to the city of Toronto, which is a great city, and a lot of really good people supporting a fun team to watch. So there you go. Raptor 4s, pretty neat. Third thing coming out, where'd my knife go? This comes to us from someone I bought from many times. Fellow Cleveland boy. You can follow him on Twitter at MustangMan8793, the sneaker man. Just gave me a really good price. I know he just wanted to move them because he was probably tired of looking at them. I already have a pair of my own for these, but I decided to double up and maybe hold on to these a little bit. Wow, my knife is terrible. Shipping stuff, nice. All right, anyway, obviously, as you can tell from the box, it is an Air Jordan 1. This is the Air Jordan 1 Nike SB collaboration on the Los Angeles to Chicago, LA to Chi, whatever you call it. Air Jordan 1 SB. Now that I have my own pair and I've been able to like kind of look into it, one of the biggest things that's very, very cool, the insole. The insole is a Zoom Air insole, Nike SB Zoom Air insole, which is very, very cool. You don't see that very often on Air Jordan 1s, and I think it's more comfortable just because it's got more padding. Obviously, you know that the paint strips off through wear or through just taking it off with acetone. Very reminiscent of the Lance Mountain Nike SB Air Jordan 1s. This strips away to a Chicago 1 colorway. The black is under the yellow and the red is underneath the purple. I'm gonna be stripping my own pair in the next video, so be sure to check that out if you wanna see how I strip off the purple on my pair without using any acetone, so you don't have to worry about killing your brain cells with the chemicals. But very happy with how one turned out. We're gonna be doing the other one in a video, but definitely check out the Sneaker Man on Twitter at MustangMan8793. Really good dude, really good price, and shipped this out really fast. So thanks, buddy, appreciate you. Lastly, this was a pair I was very much looking forward to. Recently, Nike collaborated with a couple of young rising stars in the NBA. There was De'Aaron Fox from the Sacramento Kings, Devin Booker from the Phoenix Suns, and Jason Tatum from the Boston Celtics. On a line of sneakers I don't think anyone really expected because they're not really basketball shoes per se. I mean, Air Force One is kind of a basketball shoe, but these aren't like Jordan player editions. They came out with the three. There's the Devin Booker Air Force One, which has strip away paint like the Jordans I just showed you. There's Jason Tatum's Air Max 97 with this snakeskin in red, which is just to each their own, I guess. But I got this from a really, really great dude on Twitter. His name is Dylan. You can give him a follow at Swafford Dylan on Twitter. Really, really good dude. He just made sure I had a pair because I knew I wanted these and I wanted to wear them. This is an Air Max 1. This is the collaboration with point guard of the Sacramento Kings, De'Aaron Fox. This is an Air Max 1 called Swipa, which is his on-court nickname. Now, I have to pull both of them out because the shoes are mismatched, as you can tell. It's a very what the kind of feel to him, and that's what turned me on to him. I believe the ankle collar is 3M. The light actually might pick some of that up. You can see the Swipa logo on the back. This really, really nappy black suede around the ankle collar and the side panel. These swooshes are like this kind of, I don't know what material this is, but it's like almost like clear plastic. Really, really cool. Canvas on the toe box, and then this like really, really tight print on the mud guard that goes all around the shoe, and I think it's the same, just different colors on the other one. But I am very, very, very excited about this shoe. Very, very cool. I mean, it's got a very, like I said, like a very what the box just fell. Very what the kind of feel to him, and I am very excited to wear these. I didn't expect them to sell out, so I mean, it was very cool of him to help me out. But definitely check out Dylan at Swafford Dylan on the Twitter application. This is a very cool shoe. I highly recommend if you're a fan of trainers to check this shoe out. And those are the pickups for the week, if you care, I guess. I only film these videos so I can open things up, but hey, whatever. Reminder, the next video will be of me stripping those LA to Chicago Jordan SBs, so that should be very, very cool. The kicker is I'm not using acetone because I don't want to kill more brain cells than I already have, because I'm kind of running on borrowed time anyway. 4 beater boxes on the way in. We have a 675, we have a 900, we have a 600, and then a 975. Whole bunch of other fun stuff going on the channel. Very exciting news coming up soon. We're gonna be doing a giveaway in collaboration with somebody else. Should be fun. I bet you know who it is already. But we're gonna be announcing that towards the end of the week, so that should be cool. I'm very excited about all the things that are going on the SB Mitch channel. I hope you are too. So pals and non-pals, if you wanna become a pal, that's cool too. Thank you so much for the time, I appreciate it. We will see you soon. Till next time, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way that you wanna be treated. Golden rule. Bye!